Jai Jagannath, welcome to JobSolve channel. I wish you are all safe at home and keep studying. So if you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So today we are going to discuss the monthly current affairs of April 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Which state observed Utkal Divas on April 1, 2020? So it is Odisha. Capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Its CM is Nambin Pandayak and governor is Ganeshi Lal. Question number 2. Tata Power JV Commission has started commercial operation for a 178 megawatt hydropower project in which country? So it is in Georgia. Question number 3. Which space agency has announced the Sunrise mission to study giant solar particle storms? So it is by option D, NASA. Question number 4. RBI has hiked the limit for foreign portfolio investor, that is FPI, invest in corporate bonds to how much percentage of outstanding stock for financial year 2020-21? So it is 15%. Reserve Bank of India was started on 1st April 1935. Its headquarters present in Mumbai and governor is Shaktikant Das. Question number 5. Which company has brought 5.45% stake in SpiceJet? So it is by HDFC Trustee Company. Question number 6. Which Indian newspaper that used to get published in the United States for 50 years has ceased its printed edition? So it is India Abroad, option number D. Some geography to United States. United States capital is Washington DC. Donald Trump is its president and its currency is dollar. Question number 7. Which bank has offered $1 billion for a proposed India COVID-19 emergency project? So it is announced by World Bank. Question number 8. What is the theme of the World Autism Awareness Day 2020? So the theme is the transition to adulthood. Question number 9. Philip Warren Anderson, who passed away recently, was the recipient of Nobel Prize in which subject? So he got the Nobel Prize in Physics. Question number 10. Which state has launched a mobile application Corona Watch? So it is launched by Karnataka. So Karnataka capital is Bengaluru. Its CM is B.S. Yedurappa and governor is Vajpayee Valla. Question number 11. The first UNSC meeting on COVID-19 will be held soon. Which country currently holds the presidency of the United Nations Security Council? So it is by Dominican Republic. Question number 12. Which state has launched a mobile app Pragyam to issue e-passes to everyone associated with delivery of essential service? So it is by option number C, Jharkhand. So Jharkhand capital is Ranchi. Hemant Soren is its CM and governor is Draupadi Murmu. Question number 13. Air Vice Marshal Chandan Singh Rathore, who passed away recently, was the recipient of which award? So he was the recipient of Mahavir Chakra. Question number 14. Which IIT institution has built a mobile app named Quarantine? So it is done by IIT Bombay. And IIT Bombay also developed a digital stethoscope. So because you have to maintain the social distancing from the coronavirus patient, so it is good to safeguard to the healthcare person. They can check the heartbeat. Question number 15. Which among the following has designed a casual evacuation bag to transport or isolate person infected with COVID-19? So it is done by DRDO. So DRDO full form is Defense Research and Development Organization. It was founded on 1958. Its headquarters is New Delhi and its chairman is G. Satish Reddy. Question number 16. The Government of India has sold its stake in THDC India Limited and NEPCO, that is Northeastern Electric Power Corporation, to which of the Indian public sector undertaking? So it is to NTPC. Question number 17. Which ministry has launched a portal standard in India to help foreign tourists who are stuck in various parts of the country? So it is done by Ministry of Tourism. Question number 18. China has identified Tan De Quing as the best cure for COVID-19. So this traditional medicine carries the biles of which animal? So it carries the biles of bear. So China capital is Beijing and its currency is Chinese yuan. Question 19. Who is the author of the book The Death of Jesus? So the writer of Death of Jesus is option number B, J.M. Coetzee. Question number 20. As per the latest UNCTAD report, the world economy will go into recession with the exception of which two countries? So it is India and China. Question number 21. Which company has acquired a popular weather app that is Dark Sky? So it is by Apple. Question number 22. What is the full form of MOM, which is designed by personnel from Naval located in Visakhapatnam? So the full form of MOM is Multi-Fed Oxygen Manifold. Question number 23. India in which country has postponed all its events planned to celebrate the 70th anniversary on their diplomatic reason due to COVID-19? So it is by India and China. Question 24. Which state will distribute 25 lakhs house site to the poor under Navaratnu Peddariki Illu? Sorry for the conversation. I don't know exactly the pronouns of Tamil. So that means the houses for all the poor program. So this is done by Tamil Nadu. So sorry, this is done by Andhra Pradesh. It is Telugu. So Andhra Pradesh capital is Amravati. Its CM is Jagan Mohan Reddy and governor is Biswabhushan Harichandan. Question number 25. Insurance Australia General, that is IAG, has sold its entire 26% stake in which insurance company of India? So it is SBI General Insurance. Question number 26. As per the notification by GOI, any person who has resided in J&K for the period of how much year would be considered as domicile of J&K? So it is 15 years. Option number B. Question number 27. Which FMCG company has successfully completed the merger of GlaxoSmithKline Consumer Healthcare Limited with itself? So it is done by Hindustan Unilever. Question 28. Name the woman who is behind the India first testing kit PathoDetect. So her name is Minal Dakhe Bhosle. Question number 29. One of the men behind the Docus Lewis Stern, that is DLS, passed away recently. What was his name? His name is Tony Lewis. Question number 30. What is the official, it is official. So what is the official COVID-19 tracking app that has been launched by the government of India? So it is Arogya Setu. Question number 31. UN COP26 climate summit has postponed. Which city was scheduled to host the summit this year? So this year is going to schedule at Glasgow. Question number 32. Which company has introduced Watson Assistant for Citizen in India free of cost to address COVID-19 queries? So it is by IBM. Option number B. Question number 33. Which bank has listed green bonds of 100 million on India INX Global Securities Market Green Platform? So it is State Bank of India. Option number A. Question number 34. Association representative officer of Central Civil Service including IS and IPS have launched which initiative to support the government's effort to fight coronavirus? So it is Karuna. Question number 35. ICCI Securities, that is ISEC, has partnered with NS Raghavan Center of Entrepreneurial Learning to support startup in the fintech space. NSRCL is startup hub of which IIM institute? So it is the startup hub of IIM Bangalore. Question number 36. National Cadet Corps has offered its volunteer cadet for national duty to fight COVID-19 under which initiative? So it is exercise NCC Yogdan. Question number 37. CCI has approved acquisition of 18.95% stake in which health insurance company by Shikhar Ventures under the Green Channel route? So it is Religare. Question number 38. IISc Bangalore has developed a prototype of indigenous ventilator under which project? So it is option number C, Prana. Question number 39. Jeevan is a low cost energy efficient ventilator made by the Rail Coach factory located in which city? So Jeevan is located in Kapurthala, Punjab. Some geography to Punjab. Punjab capital is Chandigarh and Punjab CM is Amrinder Singh. Its governor is BP Singh Badnore. Question number 40. Name of the Chief Minister of India who was confirmed with the Hero to Animals Award by PETA India? So it is Namit Patnaik, the Chief Minister of Odisha. Question number 41. Which edition of the National Maritime Day was celebrated in India on 5th April 2020? So it is 57th edition. Question number 42. What is the theme of the World Health Day 2020? So it is option number 1, support nurses and midwives. Question number 43. Which state has banned the sale of chewing gum till June 30 over coronavirus? So this is done by Himachal Pradesh. So some equal to Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh capital is Shimla. Its CM is Jairam Thakur and governor is Bandaru Dattatreya. Question number 44. UB Prabin Rao has been appointed as the chairman of which company? So he has been appointed as the chairman of NASCOM. Question number 45. The Union Cabinet has approved a how much percentage cut in the salaries of all members in the Parliament for a year? So it is option number C, 30%. And they are going to donate this to coronavirus fund. Question number 46. The Union Cabinet has suspended the MP Local Area Development, that is MPLAD scheme, for how many years? So it is going to suspend till 2 years. Question number 47. As per the recent changes in the direct tax regime, what is the number of days NRE needed to spend in India to qualify as an Indian tax resident? So it is 120 days. Question number 48. Indian Air Force has airlifted 6.2 ton essential medicines and hospital consumables to Maldives under which operation? So it is Operation Sanjeevani. So what is the capital of Maldives? It is Malé. Question number 49. The Civil Aviation Ministry under which initiative is supplying medical and essential supplies across the country? So it is Lifeline Udan. Option number B. So who is the Minister of Civil Aviation Ministry? So his name is Hardeep Singh Puri. Question 50. The Government of India has announced setting up a cargo airbase with which country to transport critical medical supply? So it is between India and China. Question 51. Which country will host the third edition of the Asian Youth Games in November 2021? So the host country is China. Question number 52. Which state has launched an online cultural competition, that is Mo Pratibha, in collaboration with UNICEF? So it is by Odisha. Question number 53. What is the name of the mascot chosen for the 19th Asian Games scheduled to be held in 2022? So the name is Smart Triplets. Option number D. Question number 54. Which manufacturing unit of Indian Railways has set up the Limca Book of Records for producing record 431 locomotives in the financial year 2020 in 292 working days? So this is done by Chittaranjan Locomotive Works, that is present in West Bengal. Question number 55. Which Indian NGO has been awarded the Skull Award for Social Entrepreneurship 2020 for its exceptional work in the maternal and child health space in India? So it is by Arman. The NGO name is Arman. Question 56. Department of Science and Technology with a rapid response to combat COVID-19 has approved setting of a Kavach. What does W in the Kavach stands for? So W stands for war. Question 57. Which IIT institution has developed a low-cost portable ventilator Pranavayu is in association with AIIMS Rishikesh? So this is done by IIT Roorkee. Question 58. As per the recent survey conducted by which organization, about 1/4 of the consumer in India currently pay for news? So this is done by World Economic Forum. Question 59. Which company has decided to shut down its Neighborly app? So this is by Google. Question number 60. 2021 World Games, which has been postponed to 2022, were scheduled to take place in which city? So it is going to take place in Birmingham. So why it is shifted? Because as you know, due to the coronavirus, the Tokyo Olympics, which is going to schedule in 2020, it is also shifted to 2021. So that's why they are shifting the World Games to 2022. So as you know, the World Athletic Games name changed to World Games. Question number 61. Which player posthumously has been inducted into Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame? So it is Option number B, Kobe Bryant. Question number 62. The Employees Provident Fund organization will now accept which document as birth proof to change the birth date online? So the answer is Aadhaar card. Option number D. Question 63. Which state has launched the Annapurna and Supply Mitra portals for citizen? So this is done by Uttar Pradesh. Some geography to Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh capital is Lucknow. Its CM is Yogi Adityanath and governor is Anandiben Patel. Question 64. Who has been appointed as brand ambassador of PokerStar? So it is MS Dhoni. Question 65. Who has been appointed as spokesperson of the Ministry of External Affairs? So his name is Anurag Srivastav. Question 66. Which satellite of NASA will give early warning signals of volcanic eruption and earthquake? So it is Kairos. Question 67. Which state or UT government has launched a 5T action plan to fight COVID-19? So this is done by Delhi. Delhi CM is Arvind Kejriwal. Its Lieutenant Governor is Anil Baijal. Question 68. The Union Cabinet has approved 3 schemes to boost large-scale electronics manufacturing in India. Among which of the following schemes is not included in the list? So option number D star is not included in the list. Above 3 are included, that is EMC 2.0, PLI and SPECS. Question 69. Which division of Indian Railways has deployed Doodh Duronto special trains to transport essential commodities during the lockdown? So the answer is South Central Railway, option number B. Who is our Railway Ministry? His name is Piyush Goyal. Question number 70. NASA has unveiled its plan to set up the first human base camp Artemis on the moon South Pole by which year? So this is by 2024. Question number 71. Which airline has operated the country's first cargo on-street flight carrying vital supplies? So this is by SpiceJet, option number A. Question number 72. NHAI has achieved the highest ever construction of national highways in the financial year 2019-20 by constructing what kilometer of national highways? So it is option number 1, 3,979 kilometers. Question number 73. Which ministry has designed DigiLocker as the sole national academics depository? So it is by Ministry of HRD, that is Human Resource Development. So who is the minister? His name is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Question number 74. Police in which district of Chhattisgarh has developed a Raksha Serve app to track the quarantine people through Google Map? So this is done at Janjir Champa district. Question number 75. The innovation cell of which ministry? The innovation cell of Ministry of Human Resource has launched which online challenge to invite ideas in innovation that can help fight against the novel coronavirus? So the answer is option number A, Samadhan. Question number 76. Jack Dorsey, who has decided to donate $1 billion to charities working towards combating the global COVID-19 pandemic, is the CEO of which company? So he is the CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey. Question number 77. Madhuban is a biofortified variety of which following which of the following? So it is the bifurcated variety of carrot. Question number 78. Pharmacists, popularly known as what, are delivering essential service and medicines at doorstep patients and elderly under Pradhan Mantri Bharatiya Janaushadhi Pariyojana. So they are known as option number A, स्वास्थ्य के सिपाही. Question number 79. The Department of Personnel and Training has launched which online learning platform to train all healthcare and COVID-19 warriors? So the platform name is iGot. Option number D. Question number 80. According to a report by the International Labour Organization, that is ILO, the COVID-19 crisis has the potential to push down how much crore informal sector workers in India deeper into poverty? So it is around 40 crore. Question number 81. The Ministry of HRD has launched which campaign for crowdsourcing of ideas in order to improve the online education ecosystem of India? So it is option number C, Bharat Padhe Online. Question number 82. Which company has unveiled a new Braille keywords for Android smartphone? So this is done by Google. Question number 83. Which state or UT has launched Operation Shield in 21 containment zone to curb the spread of COVID-19? So this is done by Delhi. Question number 84. Name the tropical cyclone which recently hit Fiji along with Solomon Island and Vanuatu. So the cyclone name is Harold. Question number 85. Which state or UT has recently accorded sanction for establishment of 2 centers of innovation, invention, incubation and training in partnership with Tata Technology? So this is by Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 86. Indian Railways coach rehabilitation workshop has signed a mobile doctor booth named what in Bhopal? So the name is Charak. Option number A. Question number 87. Who is the author of the book Memories and Misinformation? So the author is famous Hollywood comedian Jim Carrey. Question number 88. April 9 is celebrated as Valor Day or Shaurya Divas of which of the following security forces of the Central Armed Police Force? So it is celebrated by CRPF, that is Central Reserve Police Force. Question number 89. Which state or UT has rolled out the Nadi app for COVID-19? So this is done by option number A, Puducherry. Question number 90. National Safe Motherhood Day is observed on April 11, which is the birth anniversary of, it is Kasturba Gandhi, the wife of Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 91. NASA recently marked the 50th anniversary of which mission which has become to known as successful failure? So it is Apollo 13. Question number 92. As per the report by World Intellectual Property Organization, that is WIPO, which country has become the top filer of international patents in 2019? So it is option number B, China. So this year the China ahead of United States. Question number 93. Which state has launched the portal name Padhai Tunar Dawar, that is education at your doorstep? So this is launched by Chhattisgarh. So Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur. Its CM is Bhupesh Baghel and its governor is Anushya Uike. Question 94. Which company has signed the contract with Indian Army for setting up an advanced IT enabled system to operate the armed forces network? So this is done by Larsen and Toubro. Question 95. The government has constituted an empowered group for coordination with private sector, NGOs and international organization for COVID-19 related response activities. Who will head this group? So this group will be headed by Amitabh Kant, who is the CEO of Niti Aayog. Question number 96. India has received 1.70 lakh personal protective equipment, that is PPE, overall donated by which country? So it is donated by China. Question 97. Which port trust has become the first state owned port trust to invoke the force majeure clause in the wake of the outbreak of coronavirus? So it is Kolkata port. Option number B. Question 98. Who has been named Wisden leading cricketer in the world for 2019? So it is Ben Stokes. He is a player from England. And in the women's category, Ellis Perry has been named as leading women cricketer, and Whitson leading cricketer in 2000 T20 cricketer is Andre Russell. Question 99. Who has become the apparent Democratic nominee for the US presidential election 2020? So his name is Joe Biden. Question 100. Bharti AXA Life Insurance Company has appointed whom as the new managing director and CEO. So his name is Parag Raja. Question number 101. Which state has launched the top parent mobile app? So it is launched by Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Its CM is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and governor is Lalaji Tandon. Question number 102. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of IFCO Tokyo General Insurance Company? So it is Anamika Roy Rastadwar. Question number 103. Which bank has assured India $2.2 billion in its fight against COVID-19 pandemic? So this is done by Asian Development Bank. Option number D, Asian Development Bank, which headquarters present in Manila, Philippines. Question number 104. Which small finance bank has launched Decision platform where customer can digitally open a saving accounts and fixed deposit instantly? So this is done by Jana Small Finance Bank. Question number 105. The Reserve Bank of India has launched a Twitter campaign urging bank customer to adopt digital modes of payment. Who is the face of this campaign? So he is Sri Amitabh Bachchan. Question number 106. Padma Shri awardee Shantini Hiranand Chawla, who passed away recently. So she is a classical singer. 107. Volcano Anak Krakatau, who is recently newsed, is located in which country? So it is located in Indonesia. Question number 108. The Ministry of Home Affairs has exempted which industry from lockdown? So it is fishing and agriculture. So who is the Minister of Home Affairs? His name is Amit Shah. Question number 109. A team of 15 doctors and healthcare professionals has been sent by India to which country for helping the country in COVID-19 pandemic? So it is to Kuwait. Question number 110. Which company will acquire Gurgaon Palwal Transmission Limited for rupees 1080 crore? So it is by IndiGrid. IndiGrid will acquire GPTL. Question number 111. Sanjay Agrawal has been reappointed as the Managing Director and CEO of which small finance bank? So it is AU Small Finance Bank, option number B. Question number 112. Which bank has received RBI nod for reappointment of Mahabaleshwar MS as MD and CEO for next 3 years? So it is Karnataka Bank. Question number 113. The administration of which UT has decided to halt the Darbar move? So it is by Jammu and Kashmir. So what is the Darbar move? So Jammu and Kashmir has two capital. One is in Kashmir and second is Srinagar. So Srinagar is in summer and Kashmir is in winter. So Darbar move means they will move the capital to season, from summer to winter and winter to summer. Question number 114. IMF MD Kristalina Georgieva has named 12 people including which former RBI governor to her external advisory group? So it is Raghuram Rajan. Question number 115. China Central Bank has bought 1.01% stake in which financial service company of India? So it is HDFC. Last question 116. Apple has collaborated with which company to build a Bluetooth based COVID contact tracing platform? So it is Apple and Google. So Apple's CEO is Tim Cook and Google CEO is Sundar Pichai. So thanks for listening and share the video to your friends for the monthly current affairs of April 2020. And I will attach this PDF in the description. You can go and download it from there. So thanks for your time. Stay safe at home and keep smiling. Thank you. And do not forget to subscribe the channel for daily current affairs and job alert. Thank you.